Show. I'm your host, Mr. Big Braids, coming to you live from a reservation somewhere and taking a look at BTC and the rest of the market. We got some sales price action possibly on the table, setting up that bearish market. We're talking about we're having the most awesome rally in forever. We're getting some decent recovery to the upside, but I got a lot of analysts out there saying when they start announcing recessions hit, we're going to get those bottom buy-in sales price action, and that's what I'm looking for. I'm out here looking for those sales across the board. Let's take a look at that Dow Jones. That definitely awesome move up to the upside, getting that decent recovery, making it through a few of those areas of interest that we did have. We're still yet to get over this 33,111 area of interest that I was talking about as far as making some bullish moves to the upside. So if we can get over that 33,111 on the Dow Jones Industrial, could possibly break that downtrend and start seeing some moves to the upside. But if we do start getting those inflationary signals, we could possibly see some movement back down to the downside, get some lower price action. Getting that short squeeze to the upside. So as far as making some movement to the upside, we get over that 36.9 at 12 as far as getting some movement back up to the upside, getting some decent recovery. So definitely excited to see where we're going with all the price action. There we got BTC coming at 23,759. Still got that creepy crawly to the upside. Just searching for some support there, 23,759. Just above that 23,282. So if we do come back down and if we lose that support, we're definitely going to start seeing some consolidation down to the 786 with news of, recession. If they do announce that, saying that we are in a recession, definitely could see some lower market prices. So I'm definitely excited to see where we're going with that price action. But as far as getting some bullish action to the upside, definitely going to get some support at that 23,282. Start making our way up over that 2503. And I got this area of interest as far as that, tight squeeze area. So I'm going to slap this up here. This is the area of interest that I was looking for right here, as far as seeing that short squeeze up to the upside. So this is kind of the plan that I was kind of looking up for, making some movement to upside, recession hits, and then they announce that, and then we come back down, test the support, possibly see how low we can go. But that's, that price action just remains to be seen. Could definitely just be wishful thinking, but with the news that's out there, we got COVID picking up again. We got China trying to get involved over there, over Taiwan. We got Russia, Ukraine, probably going to be going out there for going the distance. Are we going to seriously see some moves up to the upside with that kind of news? That just remains to be seen. As long as we get over that 25,442, make our way up over that 32,504, I'll definitely start feeling a little bit more comfortable as far as BTC making some movement to the upside. At this point, we still got that bearish flag at play, and got to get that breakout action and movement up towards that decent recovery to the upside. So I'm looking around for this scenario here for that tight squeeze up to the upside, and definitely keeping an eye on that news. Doing a quick update today on this Saturday evening. Just going to do a quick video update. Have a lot of stuff going on this evening. A lot of stuff going on. So I hope everybody's having a nice time out there and having a good evening as well. So definitely keeping an eye on that price action. We got some decent movement across the market. We got Mana back over $1. We got Gala over 6 cents, and Can coming in just a little bit over 11 cents. LCX back over 6. We got ALCX just under 37.93. Let's take a look at that. Getting that little bit of movement up to the upside as well. Jasmy coming in just over 1 cent. Making some decent moves. Let's take a look at that 15. See where we've been up to that 1 cent before, so definitely excited to see where we're going with this price action here. So let's keep an eye on this. Let's take a look at this at the year to date. Jasmy was getting in those double digits. Been definitely excited to see where we're going with this price action here. Looks like we had a little bit of movement to the upside today. Getting that little bit of movement. Still got that downtrend at play. If we do get that dippy action, could possibly come back down and test this 007. And if we lose that price action, could see some lower price action. But, could possibly just get some sideways action until the market starts making some movement to the upside. As far as getting some bullish action to the upside, we got to get over this 0.0141. grab some support consolidation, make our way over the 786 at 0.0167, make our way up to the 618 at 0.0287, and start making that breakout action to the upside. I got that breakout action at 0.04984. We got APE coming at 680, still getting that creepy crawly action up to the upside, right in the general area of where we were talking about. Still hasn't quite made it over that 733 area. So as you can tell, it came up, tested that resistance, getting some consolidation down to this back down. And if we can get over that 733, make our way up to that 938, definitely looking like a bullish scenario. But if we do get some dippy action, we definitely could come back down and test that support at 544. If we lose that support at 544, we're definitely going to be looking for some lower price action. So keep an eye on that price action, keep an eye on BTC. And you always got to remember, this is not financial advice. These are my views and opinions on the market only. And you always got to do what's right for you. So yeah, IOTA's coming at just over 4 cents. ACH just over 1 cent. We got NCT at 0.018. MIR coming at 0.2171. UNFI back up over 850, coming at 854. BLZ over 10 cents, just under that 11 cent area. Looks like it was making a little bit of traction up to the upside. Got stuck at that 1098 area, get a little bit of pullback. So definitely got to keep an eye on that price action there. Let's take a look at ABT coming at $1.56. YII got some pullback underneath that 2000 as well. Couldn't quite make it over that 23,339, so got to keep an eye on that price action there. If we can get over that 23,339, start making some movement to the upside. But if we do get that dippy action, definitely could see some consolidation back down to some lower price action. How low can we go? Just remains to be seen. We got MONA trying to make some movement up to the upside as well. Looks like it couldn't quite get over that 618 at 1095, so it looks like we could possibly have some consolidation back down to the 76 at 830. If we lose that price action, definitely going to see some lower price action. So keep an eye on that price action. Keep an eye on BTC. We'll do some follow-up videos back on Monday. Be back on Monday. Taking the Sunday off. Definitely excited to see what kind of Sunday we're going to have. Are we going to have a decent, good Sunday? Or are we going to have a bloody Sunday? Just remains to be seen. So I'm definitely out here looking for that lower priced action and, looking for that sales priced accumulation. But you always got to remember, this is not financial advice. These are my views and opinions on the market only. And you always got to do what's right for you. So you always have a good afternoon, good evening, good morning, good night. Mr. Big Braids signing now.